$3,000. Wow, friends, new stimulus payments are finally arriving for many Americans. Lawmakers finally have a new update on the fourth round of stimulus checks, and many low-income households will be eligible to claim a one-time payment worth $1,657 over the next few weeks. Friends, this is the latest breaking news in Congress, so please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all the details. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure you enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of November and December, I will also surprise several of you with $200 gift cards to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. As we all know, soaring prices on every item, such as gas prices, grocery prices, rent prices, energy, and high inflation, has put lots of financial pressure on millions of Americans across the country. But lawmakers are finally stepping up and getting more inflation relief out to Americans. State officials have approved more financial aid for residents of New Jersey. To help families in this challenging time, millions of New Jersey residents will receive a stimulus payment, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Rising inflation causes residents of New Jersey to pay more for their daily expenses, such as groceries, at 10% higher, energy prices by 18.1%, and prices for other necessities are also increasing. In New Jersey, the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers increased by 7.2% compared to the previous year. This new plan is known as the Family Security Act 2.0, and it was introduced by United States Senator Mitt Romney, Richard Burr, and Steve Daines. Most parents with children under the age of 5 would get a $350 direct monthly payment. That is more than $4,000 yearly under this newly proposed plan, while parents with children aged 6 to 17 would receive a $250 payment. That is $3,000 a year. Furthermore, parents can apply for the benefits 4 months before their unborn child's due date, with monthly payments of $700 and a maximum of $2,800 during pregnancy. Families may claim benefits for up to 6 children annually and choose whether to receive the benefits yearly or monthly. In the approximate population of 9.38 million, only 31.3% of New Jersey residents do not have a family, which means that 68.6% of the residents would be eligible for the benefits under this program. According to this proposed plan, your yearly income must be $200,000 for single taxpayers and $400,000 for joint filers. However, the family's annual income must be at least $10,000 to qualify for this plan. If the family's yearly income is less than $10,000, they will get a benefit based on that amount. Financial relief is also coming for older and disabled residents of Pennsylvania in the form of a bonus property tax or rent rebate. Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf announced the additional rebate, which will provide recipients with a one-time payment of 70% of the value of their 2021 rebate, or a maximum amount of $1,657. The State Department of Revenue has said that the payments will be delivered to about 361,000 eligible recipients. The original bill, which authorized the one-time bonus rebates, was signed by Governor Wolf in early August. The relief is intended to help with rising costs due to inflation. The one-time payments are being paid for with $140 million in funds from the American Rescue Plan, which was signed into law by President Biden in March 2021. States have used excess funds from the American Rescue Plans in various different ways, such as the city of Illinois, using funds to support a pilot program. Friends, the keyword for this video is holiday season. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway of $75, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos And then comment below this keyword, which is holiday season. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. And remember, friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The Consumer Price Index rose less than expected in October, an indication that while inflation is still a threat to the U.S. economy, pressures could be starting to cool. The index, which is a broad-based measure of goods and service costs, increased 0.4% for the month and 7.7% from a year ago. According to a Bureau of Labor Statistics release, core CPI increased 0.3% for the month. That is a 2.4% decline in used vehicle prices that helped bring down the inflation figures. Apparel prices fell 0.7%, and medical care services were lower by 0.6%. Mark Ssdi, chief economist at Moody's Analytics, told CNBC News, "The report overstates the case that inflation is coming in. It's pretty clear that inflation has definitely peaked and is rolling over. All the trend lines suggest that will continue to moderate going forward." So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on the latest inflation report? Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. Well, my greatest and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so much, dear friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. And I truly hope that you all found this information helpful. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway of $75 is Naomi Bell. Congratulations, my dear friend. Please remember to claim your gift card by checking your notifications page and then sending me an email. Or you can also message me on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Very important conversation, a continuing conversation around the future of our country. That really is the topic. That truly is the topic. The topic of our conversation is the topic of who are we as a country and the future of our country. And it is my privilege and pride to welcome you here today to talk about this. And let's be clear, and I don't have to tell the people at this table. If anyone wants to know who are our dreamers, let me tell you who they are. They include members of our military. They are college students. They are people that work in Fortune 500, Fortune 50 companies. They are the 200,000 at least frontline workers who saved the lives and protected the lives of people they didn't know. That's who are our dreamers. And many arrived in their home country in the United States before they could walk or talk. Many have been living recently, for these years, a life of uncertainty, even though this is the only home they've ever known. And they deserve a pathway to citizenship. They deserve a pathway to citizenship. And so I want to make clear to the dreamers who are here and those who are watching from home, this is your home. This is your home. And we see you, and you are not alone. The President and I, needless to say, and I hope many of you saw his town hall yesterday, we are unequivocal that we recognize you for the Americans that you are, and that we recognize that you deserve all the rights that come with American citizenship. And so we will be tireless in fighting for a pathway to citizenship. Now, we are having this conversation after the recent federal court ruling, but I want to make something clear. It will not immediately affect current DACA recipients. Also, it will put hundreds of thousands of young immigrants in jeopardy, including Deanna, who you are about to hear from. But our administration is taking action. So through the United States Department of Justice, we have announced our intention to appeal the